Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to check your PC has TPM support for Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. We all know if you want to install Windows 11, you should have TPM security system in your desktop or laptop. So in order to check out this TPM, there is a two-way you can check this. First of all, let me share it to how you can find it. Actually, my PC is Windows 11, but your PC might be Windows 10 and you want to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. So the step almost same. You go jump over in Windows 10 this PC, just right click over on it and click here manage. After click over manage, you're going to see screen appear just like this and click here device manager. After click over device manager, in the right side you're going to find here something say security device. Just extend it and then you're going to find here something say trusted platform model 2.0. That means in my PC or my laptop has TPM. Also, you can check is your TPM is enabled or not. For that, you can click in your Windows 10 PC, WinKey plus R, and then you're going to see a screen appear just like this. And from here, you need to type a command tpm.msc and then click here OK, and then you're going to see a screen appear just like this, which is looks like this. Here in the down TPM manufacturer information, if you find something say specific version 2.0, that means in my laptop has TPM. If it is there, that means your PC or laptop has TPM. If your PC or laptop doesn't have TPM, this is not going to be looks like. It might be going to be looks like compatible TPM cannot be found. So within this way, you can easily find out is your desktop or laptop supported or install TPM chip or not. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.